I'm Dayash Shankar from Global Medicare. Today we are going to discuss about Helicavity Reader manual. So this device is made in Russia and Finland. It's used for diagnosis of H. pylori bacteria, which is found in the stomach. This is completely non-invasive and it is made by AMA. The company name is AMA Limited, Russia. So objective of the device is to diagnose non-invasively H. pylori bacteria, and the principle is H. pylori produces urease which causes degrading of urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. That ammonia causes changing the color of this indicator tube. So based on the load value and the basal value, we come to know whether it's positive or negative. It's a qualitative test of H. pylori. So as far as device is concerned, this is the main part of the device. This is connected to power cable through an adapter, and as mentioned that this is helicammonia breath test made in Russia and Finland. Another end of the device is connected to this hose pipe. This button is used to switch on and switch off the device. Before starting the test, we ask the patient to rinse the mouth thoroughly. Thereafter, we mix this sachet. There are two sachets. One is 0.5 gram C12 non-radioactive urea and another sachet is 2 gram dimannitol. We mix both all together in 50 ml of water. After dissolving the contents, the patient has to swallow the solution. Now we again ask the patient to rinse the mouth. This is indicator tube and this is mouthpiece of the indicator tube. Initially from both the ends, indicator tube is closed. After cutting in the indicator tube, there is one mark, one can see. This has to be inserted towards hose pipe gently and another end is inserted towards mouthpiece. The patient has to keep this mouthpiece in mouth like this. If saliva comes in between in mouth, patient has to take out this mouthpiece out from mouth, swallow the saliva and put the indicator tube along with this mouthpiece in mouth again. So initially this process will go for 3 minutes. Device must be switched on from here during that process. After 3 minutes, we have to take out this mouthpiece, take out this indicator tube, measure the color change in this indicator tube by this scale in millimeter. Let this color change is 5 mm. Now we reverse the direction of this indicator tube in this way and put this mouthpiece again in this. The patient has to again keep this mouthpiece in mouth for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, again it has to be taken out. Indicator tube has to be taken out. Color change has to be measured in millimeter. Now this color change is 10 mm. So now basal was 5 and load value is 10. We find the difference delta as 5 mm. So the result is positive. Based on various studies, it has been found that if the delta is less than 3 mm, the result is negative. If it is more than 3 mm, the result is positive. Thank you very much.